Let's make some minor improvements. So this row count and column count, this can go to the puzzle actually. And when we actually read the state, so we actually don't need these trees because these trees are also in a part of the puzzle. So let's put it also in the puzzle. So in that case, reading the state will be actually not in reading the or initial state will not be here. It will be actually in the puzzle. So let's put that in the puzzle. So let's do something like this. So we have the tens, and we also need to put this get trees here. So let's put it in the get trees here. So now we have trees all in the puzzle. So then in that case, how will we do the initial state? So we'll actually have just an initial state. So it will be something like this. So let's put the initial state something like this. And we have actually an empty tens. And for, in that case, we don't need this. And let's modify the comments. And for this, we add only the clone like this. If is a solution, let's say tree size, we'll say tree size. And then where do we check the solution here? So we will give just tree size. Okay, that's actually handled. So anything there? Check and add candidate. So in that case, we need to know here actually the trees. So we also need to know trees. We also need to know row count, and we also need to know the column. So in that case, let's give them as parameters. So coordinate trees and row count and also the column count as parameters. So in that case, row count will be a parameter, column count will be a parameter, and trees will be a parameter. So let's put the trees, etc. And in that case, we should put the trees here, row count here, and column count here. And in the main, we cannot print the solution. So in that case, we can actually then puzzle then something like print solution or something like this. So then we will state the solution, something like private state solution. So solve with just put the solution to current state and return. Actually, then in that case, solution will be null. So solution is already null. So in that case, what do we miss? We missed something like So we don't have any print solution. So we should have something like void print solution. So solution just print trees, row count and column count. So the only thing that is a problem here is actually the trees. So we should actually put the trees as a parameter. And then we have the trees here, trees here, trees here, and trees here. So that's all. Let's go to main and run it. So both of them works. So we have basically the solution. Okay, so now we will read the file. We have the clone, we have is the solution, anything there, any adjacent there, and check add candidate. So anything there. So that's all. Now we converted to here. So let's make the trees final, initial state final, and that's all.